Am I the a-hole for making her work life miserable when I found out she was my employee? She lied to me. Not about a small thing, about who she was. I thought I'd met someone genuine outside of work, only to realize she'd been my employee the whole time. I could have fired her. I should have. But instead, I kept her close, assigned her an impossible project, rejected everything she brought to me, watched her squirm every time our eyes met. Call it petty. Call it pride. But if someone plays games with me, I don't lose. I rewrite the rules. But let's not discuss how I'm using her to deceive my grandfather so I don't have to go on any more blind dates. That's a completely different discussion, right? So tell me, am I the a-hole for making her pay for a lie that made me question her truth after that?